Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back and thank you for supporting me. I'm Coretta. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a rhinestone shirt with Cricut. Come on y'all, let's see how I do it. For this project, I will be using rhinestone flock, Hotfix rhinestone transfer tape. I will be using Hotfix Rhinestones SS10 in size. I will be using a trim edge brush and a wax pencil and a t-shirt. I will leave a list of these items in the description of this video. For this project, I am going to be testing a rhinestone template for my Etsy shop. I will leave a link to the rhinestone template in the description of this video if you're interested in purchasing. I created the rhinestone template in Silhouette Studio Business Edition, but since I do not have a Cameo cutting machine, I am going to use my Cricut to cut the template. So I'm going to upload the rhinestone template into Cricut Design Space. To upload, I am going to select Upload on the left toolbar. I'm going to select Upload Image. I'm going to select Browse. I am going to browse to the location of the rhinestone template, select my template, and then select Open. This screen is showing the template that I am going to be uploading. So I am going to select Continue on the bottom right. This is the image detail screen. I am not going to make any changes here, so I'm going to select Upload on the bottom right. Now that the rhinestone template is on the canvas, I am going to make sure that it uploaded at the correct size. Sometimes when uploading rhinestone templates into Cricut Design Space, it may not upload with the correct size. So you always want to check the size. According to Silhouette Studio, the design should be 10.641 in width and 7.872 in height. I am going to select the entire rhinestone template, and then I am going to go to the top toolbar under Size, and I am going to check the size. So again, the size should be 10.641 in width and 7.872 in height. If the template does not upload in the correct size, then you will make the necessary adjustments to get it to the right size. Now that I have checked the size of the rhinestone template, I am ready to cut it. So I'm going to select Make It on the top right. On this screen is the rhinestone template on the color coordinated mat. There is nothing to do on this screen because I will be picking the rhinestones up with Hotfix transfer tape. So I am going to select Continue on the bottom right. Here on the material screen, I am going to select the material setting that I created to cut rhinestone flock. My material setting is 350 cut pressure, 1 pass using a fine point blade. I will leave a link in this video description to a video showing how to create your own custom material settings. I am going to get the rhinestone template cut, then I will come back to show you how I brush in the rhinestones. Now that I have everything cut and weeded, I am going to brush the Hotfix rhinestones into the rhinestone template. So I am going to pour rhinestones into the first layer. And before I brush them in, I am going to put some painter's tape over this part here, the unapologetically part, because I don't want any rhinestones to go in to that area. So I'm just going to cover that area right there. And then I am going to brush in the rhinestones. So I am going to brush in the rhinestones in a circular motion so that the rhinestones can fall into the circles of the template. So again, I'm just brushing them in a circular motion. Now I'm going to use the wax pencil to place rhinestones in the circles that did not get a rhinestone brushed in. I'm also going to remove excess rhinestones that do not have a place on the template. Next, I am going to use the Hotfix transfer tape to pick up the rhinestones. When applying the Hotfix transfer tape, you want to make sure that you commit with your downward motion, because once you place the Hotfix transfer tape down, you cannot pick it back up. And so what you want to do is you want to put it in a U shape, and then you want to place the middle down first and then let the sides fall. And then just burnish it down to make sure that all the rhinestones stick to the transfer tape. And I like to use my brush to go over the design so that I can make sure that all of the rhinestones stick to the transfer tape. Now I'm going to remove the Hotfix transfer tape from the template, and I am going to place it back on the backing when I finish. So I'm going to remove it, and you want to go slow, because if it's a rhinestone that doesn't stick to the transfer tape, you want to lay your transfer tape back down, press on top of that stone, and then continue to remove. And you do that every time. I will repeat this process for the remaining layers. So now I have all the layers ready to be pressed. So here at the heat press, I've length rolled and pre-pressed the shirt to remove the moisture. I have placed the first layer of the design on the shirt about 3 inches down from the bottom of the collar. I am going to press it at 350 degrees for 15 seconds. Next, I'm going to place the second layer on the shirt inside of the rhinestones that are already on the shirt. And when you place your rhinestones on your shirt, you want to make sure that your rhinestones do not overlap with other rhinestones that are already on your shirt. So now that I have everything lined up, I am going to press this for 350 degrees for 15 seconds. Now I am going to place the last layer, lining everything up again, making sure that no stones are overlapping. So I'm just going to line it up. And now that I have everything where I want them to be, I am going to press this for 350 degrees for 15 seconds. All right, y'all. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, wow. It is so pretty. Oh my God. It is so pretty. What do you guys think? What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think. I think it is gorgeous. Oh my God. All right, guys, that's all for now. I hope that you're able to follow along with my process. If you like this video and would like to see more, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you could be notified every time I upload a video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will respond back. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.